Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever found yourself wondering if a younger woman is genuinely interested in you? Today, we're going to uncover the key topics and questions a younger woman will bring up if she wants to be with you. These conversations might seem casual at first, but they're packed with intent and attention. Don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's a crucial piece of advice for understanding her questions and responding effectively. Stay tuned for it. Before we jump in, why not give your love life a boost? Check the link in the description or pinned comment to book a free 60-minute strategy call with our dating coaches. Ready to decode her questions and understand her true feelings? Let's dive in and discover these signs together. 1. She asks about your day. Let's kick things off with a simple yet telling sign. She asks about your day. When a younger woman is genuinely interested in you, she'll frequently ask about your day. This question goes beyond polite conversation. It's a way for her to show that she cares about your daily experiences and wants to be a part of your life. She's looking to understand your routine, your highs and lows, and how you spend your time. For example, she might send a message saying, "How was your day?" Or ask in person, "Did anything exciting happen today?" These questions show that she's thinking about you and is interested in the details of your life. It's her way of staying connected and involved, even when you're not together. 2. She inquires about your interests and hobbies. Next up, let's talk about her interest in your hobbies and passions. A younger woman who wants to be with you will be eager to learn about your interests and hobbies. She'll ask questions to understand what you're passionate about and how you like to spend your free time. This curiosity shows that she's trying to find common ground and explore ways to connect with you on a deeper level. She might ask, "What do you like to do for fun?" Or, "Tell me more about your favorite hobby." These questions indicate that she's interested in understanding what makes you tick and wants to find shared activities that you can enjoy together. It's a sign that she's thinking about building a future with you that includes your interests. 3. She wants to know about your friends and family. When a younger woman is truly interested in you, she'll ask questions about the important people in your life. She'll want to know about your relationships with your friends and family, as this gives her insight into your social world and values. Her interest in your loved ones is a way of showing that she cares about who you are beyond just your individual self. For example, she might ask, "Tell me about your family," or "Who are you closest to among your friends?" These questions show that she's interested in the people who matter to you and wants to understand the dynamics of your relationships. It's a sign that she's thinking about how she might fit into your life and build connections with your loved ones. 4. She asks about your future plans. Next, let's talk about her curiosity about your future plans. A younger woman who is genuinely interested in you will want to know about your future aspirations and goals. She'll ask questions to understand where you see yourself in the coming years and what your dreams are. This interest shows that she's thinking long-term and is considering how her future might align with yours. For instance, she might ask, "Where do you see yourself in 5 years?" Or, "What are your biggest goals for the future?" These questions indicate that she's thinking about a potential future together and wants to see if your visions for the future are compatible. It's a sign that she's serious about getting to know you on a deeper level. Hope this video is sparking some ideas for you. If you're ready to take things to the next level, why not sign up for our free dating strategy call? Discover effective strategies to meet more women and boost your confidence. Check out the link in the pinned comment now. 5. She inquires about your past relationships. A younger woman who wants to be with you will be curious about your past relationships. She'll ask questions to understand your romantic history, what you've learned from past experiences, and what you're looking for in a partner. This curiosity shows that she's interested in your emotional world and wants to learn from your experiences. For example, she might ask, "Can you tell me about your last relationship?" Or, "What qualities do you look for in a partner?" These questions indicate that she's trying to understand what has shaped you romantically and how she might fit into your love life. It's a sign that she's thinking about how to build a meaningful relationship with you. 6. She wants to know about your values and beliefs. Next, let's talk about her interest in your values and beliefs. A younger woman who is genuinely interested in you will ask questions to understand your core values and beliefs. She'll want to know what principles guide your life and what you consider important. This curiosity shows that she's thinking about compatibility and wants to ensure that your values align. For instance, she might ask, "What are the most important values to you?" Or, "How do you view a specific topic?" These questions indicate that she's interested in understanding what drives you and how your beliefs might influence your relationship. It's a sign that she's serious about building a connection based on shared values. 7. She asks about your daily routines. Let's move on to another crucial sign. She asks about your daily routines. A younger woman who is genuinely interested in you will want to know about your daily routines. She'll ask questions to understand how you spend your days, what your work schedule looks like, and how you manage your time. This interest shows that she's thinking about how to fit into your life and find time to spend together. She might ask, "What does a typical day look like for you?" Or, "How do you usually spend your weekends?" These questions indicate that she's curious about your lifestyle and wants to find ways to align her schedule with yours. It's a sign that she's thinking about how to integrate her life with yours. 8. She inquires about your health and well-being. Next, let's discuss her interest in your health and well-being. She'll want to know if you're taking care of yourself, what your fitness routine looks like, and if you're feeling good overall. This concern shows that she's thinking about your long-term well-being and wants to ensure that you're healthy and happy. For instance, she might ask, "Do you work out regularly?" Or, "How have you been feeling lately?" These questions indicate that she's concerned about your health and wants to support you in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It suggests that she's thinking about your future together and wants you to be at your best. 9. She wants to know about your preferences and dislikes. Let's talk about another key sign. She wants to know about your preferences and dislikes. A younger woman who is genuinely interested in you will ask questions to understand your likes and dislikes. She'll want to know what makes you happy, what annoys you, and what your preferences are in various aspects of life. This curiosity shows that she's thinking about how to make you happy and avoid things that might upset you. For example, she might ask, "What's your favorite type of food?" Or, "Are there any habits that really annoy you?" These questions indicate that she's interested in getting to know you better and wants to create a positive and enjoyable experience for you. It's a sign that she's invested in making the relationship work and values your happiness. 10. She inquires about your achievements and goals. A younger woman who wants to be with you will be curious about your achievements and goals. She'll ask questions to understand what you're proud of, what you've accomplished, and what you're striving for in the future. This interest shows that she's thinking about how to support you in your endeavors and share in your successes. She might ask, "What's your biggest accomplishment so far?" Or, "What are you working towards right now?" These questions indicate that she's interested in your personal growth and wants to be a part of your journey. It's a sign that she's thinking about how to build a future together that includes your aspirations. Here's the bonus tip you've been waiting for: the importance of paying attention to her consistency. While each of the topics we've discussed are strong indicators of her interest, it's her consistency in asking these questions that provides a clearer picture of her intent. When a younger woman constantly brings up these topics, it reinforces the likelihood that she's genuinely interested in you. For instance, if she frequently checks in about your day, shows ongoing interest in your hobbies, and regularly inquires about your future plans, these combined behaviors create a powerful message. Individually, these questions might seem like friendly conversation, but together, they paint a much clearer picture of her feelings. Paying attention to her consistency helps you avoid misinterpretations and gives you greater confidence in understanding her intentions. It's like putting together pieces of a puzzle. Each question contributes to the overall image. By being observant and noting how often she asks about these key areas, you can better gauge her level of interest and respond in a way that fosters a mutual connection. So, always look for a pattern of consistent questions, rather than relying on just one, and you'll have a more accurate read on her true intentions. So now you know the questions a younger woman who wants to be with you will ask. What's next for you? Discover 6 charismatic tricks for attracting younger women. Or, learn how to drive younger women crazy with these flirting tactics. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.